Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Travel Insight. I am Mika. Now in this episode you will journey with us to Secrets Playa Mujeres Golf Resort and Spa, which is set within the exclusive gated community of Playa Mujeres, Mexico. This resort is about 35 minutes from the Cancun International Airport. Now, if you check this banner out, it is my husband's birthday, or was his birthday. So we went to this resort to celebrate his birthday. And to let you in on a little secret, this is not our first stay at this resort. This was our second stay. Our first stay was actually in 2015, and we enjoyed it so much we decided to come back just to see, if the feeling was still the same. So if you're looking here, for those who love an espresso machine, there is an espresso machine at this resort. And what you cannot see in frame to the left of this wall is the secrets box. Now, the secrets box is where you can put your room service dishes, or, say you don't want room service disturbing whatever you have going on in your room, so you just order it and tell them to drop it off in your secrets box. There was a refrigerator that's fully stocked, and it gets replenished daily. The bathroom, nice, clean, sleek, everything you would want in a 5-star resort. And what you see me doing here is just picking that bottle up, and what that was bug spray. You will need some bug spray. We didn't get any major attacks from mosquitoes while we were here, but at dusk or dawn you might get a little pinch if you got that real good sweet blood. Anyway, back on the resort. This resort features 424 suites, and it also has 9 international dining options, plus 8 bars and lounges for you, okay? Now, folks, when you stay at Secrets Playa Mujeres, you also get access to the sister property, Dreams Playa Mujeres, right next door. Now, if you stay in the preferred club category, you not only get access to Dreams Playa Mujeres next door, but you gain access to the lazy river and all of the preferred club lounge amenities at that resort as well. Please note, I did say preferred club gets access to the lazy river, and we thoroughly enjoyed the lazy river at that resort. You can access the resort by just walking there. It is really literally right next door, or you can catch a golf cart. Now, feast your eyes on the closet. It is a detached closet, so it's not the biggest of closets I've seen, but it is ample enough space for you to unpack your things if you so choose. There's also our white crisp robes, which I always enjoy at any resort. I'm looking for robes and slippers. Call me Bougetto, I'll be just that. But as you can see, the room is clean, fine line, nicely decorated. I love the lights against the darks, and I find that so sexy. Okay, there's my slippers. Yes, I gotta have them. Call it minor, but I have to have my robe and slippers. And not only that, but first and foremost, give me a nice, clean, luxurious resort. Give me great customer service. Give me some good entertainment, good food I can find and eat my way around, which is sometimes expected at an all-inclusive. Now, here is your tablet, which is provided in each suite by the resort. You can order from room service. You'll find your activities for the day and night. You can look at the menus, dress codes, all of that from the restaurants. But before then, if you like, you can download the AMR Collection app And you might be able to get a sneak peek of what's going on. I mean, why wouldn't you want to get a good preview of what's going on to the next place you're going to vacation? There you have it, folks. A nice little sitting area. You had your table and 2 chairs on the other wall, ceiling fan, and you can see directly into the bathroom. But if that bothers you, you can close those louvered shutters for more privacy. All right, folks, so I am hoping you are enjoying an inside look of this room at this lovely resort. And remember, if you are planning your next getaway, hit me up. I would love to help you. All right, life is busy enough. Now, I don't know who this guy is sitting out here. Oh wait, that's my husband. And he has this thing where as soon as we get to a resort, he grabs his 2 favorite drinks and he goes and sits on the balcony because we enjoy those things. If you look over there in the corner, you will see our tub. We enjoyed just sitting out there, taking it all in, having a great time. All right, you guys enjoy a few still shots from around the resort, and I'll check back in with you in a few. Now everyone, right here is the preferred club beach area, and the green that you see is the natural fauna. That is kept in place to help with erosion. And I don't mind it, but I've had people to ask. Now here you'll have the Bali beds, and Bali beds do require a reservation. So you just go and you tell them the time that you would like to reserve a Bali bed, and it's absolutely no problem. Now hold up, stop the press. Were we in Mexico? Yes, we were in Mexico, and they had a Jamaican band. And right then, at that moment, I knew we needed to book a trip to Jamaica because it's indeed a vibe. I could bounce back and forth between the two forever and be as happy as could be. Enjoy.
Sorry.